Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best microphone is probably one of the most crucial investments for any aspiring YouTuber. Crystal clear audio can make or break your video, and choosing the right mic can be the difference between a viewer hitting that subscribe button or clicking away. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of microphones, exploring the best options to elevate your audio game and make your content shine. Number 5. HyperX QuadCast USB Gaming Microphone. This microphone features stunning red lighting with dynamic effects. It adds a customizable style to your setup, making it visually appealing for your audience. The built-in shock mount isolates the microphone. It suppresses the sounds of accidental bumps and rumbles, ensuring a clean audio recording. Easily mute the microphone with a simple tap. The LED indicator shows the mix status, on means active, off means muted. This prevents any unwanted audio from being broadcast. Choose from 4 polar patterns to optimize your recording. Whether you need stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, or bidirectional, it has you covered. This helps you focus on the sounds you want to capture. Adjust the microphone sensitivity with ease. Simply turn the dial at the bottom to get the perfect sound level. This allows you to fine-tune the audio input. It works with PC, PS5, PS4, and Mac. It's also certified by Discord and TeamSpeak, and compatible with major streaming platforms. This makes it a versatile choice for any streamer or content creator. What we like. This microphone boasts stunning red lighting and dynamic effects, making your setup visually appealing. It also features an anti-vibration shock mount, ensuring your audio is free from unwanted noise. If you're a gamer or streamer looking to add some flair to your setup and prioritize clear audio, you should consider this. What people say. The sound quality is excellent. The microphone is easy to set up and use. The design is sleek and professional. Number 4. Logitech Blackout USB Condenser Mic, 988-000100. This professional USB microphone delivers clear, powerful, broadcast-quality sound. It's perfect for YouTube videos, streaming, gaming, podcasting, and music recording. Take control of your audio with headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute, and mic gain. This puts you in charge of every level of the recording and streaming process. The microphone offers flexible cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo pickup patterns. This allows you to record in various ways for vocals, instruments, and podcasting. Enhance your streams and recordings with clear vocal sound. You can also entertain your audience with enhanced effects, advanced modulation, and HD audio samples. Optimize your sound quality with the adjustable desktop stand. You can pivot the microphone to find the perfect position. Also, you can track your voice in real time with no latency monitoring. What we like. This microphone features a custom 3-capsule array for broadcast quality sound. With onboard audio controls, you can easily manage your recording levels. If you need flexibility in your recordings and want to control every aspect of your audio, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Excellent fidelity, handy controls, easy setup. Even audio people compliment me on the audio I produce, and I edit nothing. The sound is slowly decreasing, but what do you expect for 6 years, moving around and traveling to grandparents' house? I will surprise my son with another one for his birthday this year. Number 3. FIFINE K669B USB Microphone for PC Mac. This USB microphone is incredibly easy to set up. It's plug and play, connecting directly to your computer via USB. It's perfect for recording music, singing, or podcasting. The microphone features a sturdy metal construction. This design ensures durability and a long lifespan, making it ideal for voiceovers and live streams on platforms like YouTube. It includes a convenient volume knob for easy adjustment. This allows you to control the microphone's sensitivity, ensuring your voice is heard clearly during gaming, Skype calls, or voice recordings. You can also mute it for privacy. This microphone is widely compatible with various applications. It's USB powered, so it doesn't require phantom power. It works well with Cortana, Discord, and other voice recognition software, and is compatible with your desktop, laptop, or PS4, PS5. The cardioid condenser captures your voice with clarity. It produces a smooth and crisp sound, focusing on the main source while reducing background noise. This makes it great for gamers, streamers, and YouTubers. This microphone is perfect for various applications, including Discord, OBS, TeamSpeak, Twitch, Zoom, WebEx, and more. It's also great for use with Audacity. Remember to disable the sound-activated recording function in your application for optimal results. What we like. This USB microphone offers a convenient plug-and-play setup, making it easy to use. Its durable metal design ensures longevity, and the mic volume knob gives you direct control. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and easy-to-use microphone for your daily recording needs, you should choose this one. What people say. The sound quality is excellent. The microphone is easy to set up and use. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. Logitech Blue Snowball Ice USB Microphone. Tired of muffled audio? This microphone delivers crystal clear sound. It's a significant upgrade from your computer's built-in microphone, ensuring your voice is heard loud and clear. Focus on what matters most, your voice. This microphone captures sound directly in front, minimizing background noise. It's perfect for streaming, podcasting, and online meetings. Make a statement with its classic design. This microphone looks great on your desk and on camera. It adds a touch of style to your setup. Get the perfect angle for optimal sound. The adjustable stand lets you position the microphone for the best audio quality. It also saves space on your desk. Connect with confidence on your favorite platforms. This microphone is certified for Skype and Discord. You'll be heard clearly on all leading VoIP platforms. What we like. This microphone delivers crystal clear audio quality, perfect for streaming and podcasting. Its cardioid pickup pattern focuses on your voice, reducing background noise. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and easy-to-use microphone for your daily recording needs, you should choose this one. What people say. The Blue Snowball Ice captures crystal clear sound with exceptional clarity and precision. Setup couldn't be easier thanks to the plug-and-play functionality of this USB microphone. The microphone's retro-inspired aesthetic adds a touch of sophistication to any workspace, while its compact size makes it easy to position on your desk or mount on a boom arm. Number 1. MAONO A04 USB Condenser Microphone Kit. This condenser microphone features a professional sound chipset, ensuring a high-resolution sampling rate of 192 kHz 24-bit. It delivers a smooth, flat frequency response, making it ideal for various applications, guaranteeing your audio sounds crisp and clear. The microphone connects easily to your computer via USB 2.0, requiring no extra drivers or external sound cards. Just plug it in, and it's ready to go, offering seamless integration with different operating systems. The double-shielding USB cable minimizes interference. Equipped with a 16mm electric condenser transducer, this USB microphone provides a strong bass response and crystal clear audio capture. The magnet ring on the USB cable enhances its anti-interference capabilities, ensuring a better recording experience. The included pop filter and foam windscreen ensure your voice is recorded clearly, while the shock mount keeps the microphone stable. This setup is perfect for voiceovers, podcasts, YouTube videos, and online conferences. This microphone is compatible with most operating systems on laptops, PCs, and mobile phones. It offers a strong audio output with no distortion and low power consumption. An OTG adapter is needed for phone connections, but it is not included. What we like. This microphone features a professional sound chipset for high-quality recordings. It offers a simple plug-and-play setup, and comes with a sturdy boom arm set for easy positioning. If you're looking for a complete recording solution with excellent sound quality, you should consider it. What people say. It's a plug-and-play mic, so you don't have to download or buy any additional interfaces to get quality sound from it. The quality of the microphone is very crisp, very yummy compared to other microphones you have used before. It looks great and was easy to set up. It automatically paired with my laptop with no drivers needing to be downloaded. It picks up my voice loud and clear while minimizing background noises. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.